So usually we just see the physical picture, but this is a good picture to show the x-ray. So when you see toes that look like this and are bent over, that's when you know they have hammer toe. So see, it's kind of curved. You can't really see the whole toe. Same thing, this phalanx, and this one is really curved. It's supposed to sit on top of each other like this, but this one is kind of curved this way, this is curved this way, and this toe is kind of tucked behind here. And this is when we fixed it. And see how remember I said it's supposed to sit on top of each other? See how all the bones are sitting on top of each other now? And this toe is no longer tucked in. And so that corresponds to when patients have those, like the fifth toe that's kind of tucked like this in under the fourth toe, and now it's straightened and it's now like this. So you see that toe is straighter, but this is the x-ray of what's happening. This is it when it was bent like this, and this is it when it is straighter after we fixed it. All right.